The views and opinions expressed in this program are those of the individuals involved and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of Radio Agri 90.1 FM management.
Ayun, magandang tanghali po mga karadyo Agri. We're back with a new season of Host Jam where live radio meets live music. Ako po si Faydan at makakasama niyo po ako sa programang ito kung saan makikinig tayo ng live music jam. At para naman po sa mga hindi pa familiar sa programang ito, kasama po natin dito si Sir Monch ng AMT every other Thursday para haranahin kayo ng live music tuwing 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. On Thursdays naman po na hindi natin makakasama si Sir Monch, we have talented singers from our agency, Department of Agriculture, Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization or PhilMec. Also, we are now exploring to ask and find talented singers as well outside our agency to hear them live and on air and online. Dito lang yan sa ating Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. Siyempre, before we start our program, we would like to greet our Director 4, Dr. Juniso G. Alvinia, Director 3, Sir Joel V. Dator, our Chief of Applied Communication Division, Sir Elijah Z. Davalos, Section Head of STIPS, Sir Jet Molek G. Subaba, Section Head of STIDS, Ma'am Bess G. S. Magararu, to the rest of our division chiefs, our hard-working staffs, our drivers, guards on duty, and utility workers. Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. And of course, magandang tanghali rin po to Ma'am Isis, Sir Ambo, and Dr. Love na always naka-tune in as well as to our listeners on air and online. So without further ado, let us welcome our singer for today's jam. So to our guest today, I'll introduce our former jam host, Miss Colleen de Guzman, together with Mr. Raymond de la Cruz from Applied Communication Division. Ayan. Good afternoon po, Ma'am Colleen and Sir Ray. Shoutout po muna kayo sa ating mga listeners on air and viewers online.
Good afternoon po. Sobrang weird na nandito ako sa side na to.
Yes.
Pero ayun, shoutout po syempre sa ating ACD fam.
Yes.
And to Miucha and Nadar na nanonood, nakikita ko. And syempre si Kuya Jebong na unang-unang nag-comment. Ayan.
Shoutout kay Kuya
Shoutout
Jebong.
Kuya
Alam mo
Jebong.
yan.
Parang ngayon lang kita nakita. Maaga nag-comment.
Parang nakaano siya on notif.
Very good ka Kuya Jebong.
Ay, ready na ba ang ating mga singers? O, ang dami. Singers. Ready na po ba kayong i-share sa amin ang inyong set list for today?
So, our set list po, bukod sa we tried looking for songs na at least relatable para sa ating mga Karadyo Agri, we believe that bawat isa sa atin ay may kanya-kanyang kwento. So, minsan masaya, minsan magulo, minsan masakit, pero laging may awitin na parang tayo ang isinusulat. So today, our set list will be like a journey of pagsubok, pagtanggap, hanggang sa muling pagbangon. So it's a roller coaster of emotions for sure. Ayan, so for our first song, this song, di ba, sa dami ng pinagdadaanan natin sa araw-araw, minsan we all need someone to tell us na, parang okay lang yan, ngumiti ka lang. So this song is a song of comfort, hope, and kahit sa gitna ng bigat. So this is With a Smile. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. second song, habang nilalabanan natin yung lungkot, may mga araw din na parang naliligaw tayo. That's when the song comes in, reminding us na hindi natin kailangan magtago. And who we are is more than enough. So, this is True Colors. You with a sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all. The darkness inside you can make you feel so small. Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, just call me up and I will always be there. True colors shining through, I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful. I see your true colors shining through. I can see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow, like a rainbow.
Ayan, thank you for that introduction songs, Ma'am Colleen and Sir Ray. Grabe ang mga description each song nila, no? So, and syempre, while Ma'am Colleen is having a quick water break, magbabasa muna tayo ng comments. So, sabi dito ni Mama, hello, si Coco Legion. Coco Lynn pala. Ayan. Also, Ate Mildred. Ayan na siya. Ayan, hinihintay talaga ng ating mga viewers, si Ma'am Colleen, ano? And also, Ma'am Badet, anong feeling na ikaw naman ang guest Coco? Ayan, galing-galing. Also, kay Jebong, maganda din daw yung version ni Ma'am Bads ng With a Smile. Parang next talaga si Ma'am Bads dito, no? Also, Ate Mildred, looking forward po sa guesting, Ma'am Shibads. Ayan. Sumisigaw sa labas si Ma'am Bads, no? Also, ayan, si Ma'am Ann, kagandang singer nito. Ayan, syempre, super grabe na si Ma'am Gladys. Also, happy birthday, Ma'am Gladys.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Ayan.
Happy birthday, Ate Gladys.
Happy birthday, Ma'am. Iba ang girl. Love you, girl, sabi ni Ma'am. Also, Ate Mayan, galing Coco and Ray. Ayan. So, ready na ba si Ma'am Colleen and Sir Ray for our third song? Okay.
Okay, so for our third song, syempre continuation po ng True Colors, hindi rin madali. May mga kanta rin talagang bigla na lang papasok, tas masasabi mo na parang sinulat para sa'yo yung kanta na to. So it's just like this song na parang binabasa yung puso mo. It's about being vulnerable and feeling seen kahit masakit.
Singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style, and so I came to see it and listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I felt all flushed with fever, embarrassed by the crowd, and found he found my letters and read each one aloud. I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
So for our next song, we do have yung this song naman speaks of that moment when love turns quiet, when you're hiding not just from someone but from the truth. Ang sakit lalo na kung yung hinahanap mo, hindi ka na hinahanap pabalik. So this is Tagu-Taguan.
Minsan isang araw, puso'y napasigaw, nahulog sa'yo. Di ko na matanaw, pangangatwiran ko'y di na mapagkatiwalaan. Umasa sa iyo, di na mabibitawan, na baka sakali lang di na masasaktan, ngunit pangangatwiran mo'y di mapagkatiwalaan. Kaya't pipikit na lang, tagu-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan, masarap magmahal pag hindi iniwan. Pagbilang mong tatla, nakatago na ako, ibalik ako sa nakaraan. Langit ang natanaw, pangarap ay ikaw, lupa ang nabigay, di makapaghintay, sana nagpatintero at naiwasan ang impyerno. Kaya't pipikit na lang, at baka sakali lang. Tagu-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan, masarap magmahal pag hindi iniwan. Pagbilang tatlo, nakatago na ako, ibalik ako sa nakaraan. Pagdating sa dulo, ako'y nasaktan mo, sinubukang paglaban, sigaw ng puso ko, ngunit ba't pipilitin ang di naman para sa akin? Tagu-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan, masarap magmahal pag hindi iniwan. Pagbilang mong tatlo, nakatago na ako, ibalik ako sa nakaraan. Tagu-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan, masarap magmahal pag hindi iniwan. Pagbilang mong tatlo, nakatago na ako, ibalik ako sa nakaraan. Nung di pa naiwan, nung di pa naiwan, nung di mo iniwan.
Yan, and syempre, grabe ang roller coaster ng songs ni Ma'am Colleen, ano, and ni Sir Ray. So, while Ma'am Colleen's having a quick water break, syempre, don't forget to follow our social media accounts. We have Facebook, X, Instagram, and YouTube at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. And to our listeners on air, we do have our text hotline, 0962-119-7445. Again, 0962-119-7445. And para naman po sa mga may kakilala pang talented singers inside or outside our agency, you are very welcome po to suggest para ma-guest natin dito ng live sa ating programang Host Jam. And syempre, magbabasa muna tayo ng mga comments. Sabi ni Ate V, "Hi my gorgeous ladies and Kuya Ray, galing-galing." Ayan. Also, si watching from Siargao daw siya, si Ate Vina. Ayan. And also, May, grabe naman ang Coco, so pretty. Kulin lang sa kalam by Toti.
Grabe.
Sabi ni Kuya Toti, ayan. Sabi ni Mama, very colin.
Ayan,
Huwag
yung
kayo
Tito
ulit.
Rafi ko, ayan pa shout.
Awesome.
Shout out Tito
Yes.
Rafi, ayan follow niyo po yung mga vlog ng Tito Rafi ko.
Mm.
Nag-reels yan si Tito Rafi.
And also, Ma'am Gladys, love ko rin yung nagbabasa ng mga shoutout feed.
Ay,
Ayan.
Ate
Hi,
Gladys,
Ma'am
birthday mo ni Ma'am
Gladys.
Gladys.
Yes,
Ay, happy birthday,
birthday ni
Ate
Ma'am Gladys. Ayan.
Halika na.
Birthday box. Ayan, ready na ba kayo for your
Last
fifth song?
Yes.
Yes.
Fifth song. Ayan, so, dito naman po, kahit nasaktan, natututo pa ring manalangin. This is a song of hope and love, yung klase ng pagmamahal na hindi mo lang gusto, kundi ipinagdadasal mo na, sana siya na. Ayan, this is Panalangin. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong ninggit. At wala nang iba pang mas mahalaga sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig nating dalawa. At sana na may nakikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin, minamahal kita. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong dinggin. At wala nang iba pang mas mahalaga sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig nating dalawa. At sana na may nakikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin, minamahal kita. Panalangin, panalangin. And for our last song, ay dapat 5 songs lang talaga to eh. Pero meron po kaming pahabol na 6th song. Siyempre, minsan ang kailangan natin ay hindi sagot, kundi simula. Ayan. This song, Boston, is about leaving not to escape, but to find yourself again. Kasi sa dulo ng lahat ng sakit, may bagong daan at may bagong pag-asa. So this is Boston. Kalimutan natin ang ating nakaraan. Pilit mang isipin di tayo
kaya kung hindi ako na show business, kasama kaya kita ngayon sa Massachusetts. Inaaming minsan aking iniisip kung naging tayo, kung di ka lang umalis. O noon, dapat kita kinalimutan, ibaon sa nakaraan, paalam.
Ayan. So, grabe yung songs nila, Sir Ray and Ma'am Colleen, no? And that concludes the 6 emotional and relatable songs performed by Ma'am Colleen along with Sir Ray Mel. Grabe. Sobrang talented na mga people sa Filmic and syempre ACD and sa mga guests natin dito sa Host Jam. Again, meron ba kayong mga nais pang batiin, Sir Ray, Ma'am Colleen?
Ayan, shout out to Tita May. Nanonood si Tita May. Tito Rafi. Tito Rafi talaga. O, siya daw nagturo kumanta sa akin. Sige na nga, Tito Rafi, papayag na po kami. Charis. Si Ate Aiza nag-comment. Grabe ka naman, Ate Aiza.
Lamig daw ng boses mo, parang nasa Baguio na. Actually, malamig po dito sa radyo.
Sobrang lamig.
Sa radyo po malamig.
Sobrang lamig po dito. Ayan.
So, ano, may...
Guitarist daw. Kuya Raymel daw, sabi ni Ate Gladys.
Thank you, Ate Gladys.
Ayun, narinig na namin yun.
Saksarito pala siya. Ayun, grabe. Thank you po sa guitarist
Ayun,
natin.
shout out na rin natin syempre ang ating favorites. Thank
Oo,
you,
no.
Millet. Si Millet po ang ating tech for today. Ayan, sila Ate Pesh, si Gian, si Zyra. May nakalimutan ba ako? Ang Stips and Stids Peeps. Thank you
Yes.
so much po for tuning in. Ang weird pala dito. Sorry po sa mga ginulo ko for host jam. Ang hirap po pala ng ginagawa nyo.
Di ba?
Sorry po.
So,
Last song
ayan.
na.
Okay
Yes,
ka
Ate
na?
Mai, last song na po. Sorry.
Hindi na naman naabutan ni Ate
Tama
Mai.
na.
Ate Mai, parang lagi kang late sa live natin. So, again, thank you, Ma'am Colleen and Sir Ray for that wonderful songs and background stories. I hope everyone loved this episode as much as I loved it. Ayan, I appreciate your time po and I hope this is not the first and last na mag-guest kayo dito sa ating programa. And before we end, don't forget to follow our social media accounts. We have Facebook, X, Instagram, and YouTube at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. And to our listeners on air, we do have our text hotline 0962-119-7445. Again, 0962-119-7445. And also, you can watch our YouTube replays kung saan ang ating mga airings before ay mapapanood at mababalikan na sa ating YouTube. Just visit our YouTube channel at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM and hit like, share, and subscribe. Syempre, ayan, jump with us again next week here on Host Jam, where live radio meets live music. Every Thursdays 12 to 1 p.m. only here at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. Kasaganaan para sa bayan.